Alright, y'all, doing a little chill, relaxed hangboard session while I'm doing some yard work. It's starting to get dark though. I just did a very easy hang from the 10 millimeters for about 5 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and try the 8. Woo! About bit ass, man. Catch myself. I felt pretty good. That was easily a PR. I have to check the video how much of a PR it was. Felt like maybe 11 seconds. I don't know. Felt good, man. Been digging the hanging lately, especially in that kind of like active hang position where I'm almost doing like a instead of a passive hang, I'm kind of like levering myself a little bit, you know. That feels so good that I might take a long rest and try hang from 6 millimeters, which I haven't done in a while. I think I've only hung from 6 millimeters 3 times ever, and for like less than 3 seconds. So maybe I can do more now. We'll see. I'm gonna go for a little walk, I think. Come back and try it out, maybe. So, BRB. I'm about to tell a freaking ghost story or something right now. Alright, here's 6 millimeters. Boop, ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da. As you can see, pretty freaking tiny. Yeah, like I said, I've only really hung from this for about 3 seconds before. So yeah, let's see what I can do now. I probably shouldn't have maxed out on the freaking 8 millimeters. I'm gonna go for a max thing on the 6, but fuck it, guys. We're doing it live, you know what I mean? So, here we freaking go. Cool. You know what? I didn't even chalk up for that. I totally forgot to reach chalk, so I might go for another little walk. I actually put chalk in my damn fingers and tried it again, but I felt like maybe that was about 3 seconds, maybe like 2.8 or something. I don't know. I guess I'll see when I watch the film later, but I might try it one more time with actual chalk on my hands. Yeah. Alright, back again, going to actually chalk my hands this time. Real good. Even though there's only, 6 millimeters of surface area to balance on, I'm gonna chalk my entire hand anyway, just for that placebo effect. Alright, here we go. Oh, man. That felt pretty good. What was that, like maybe close to 5 seconds? I don't know. It's hard to perceive time when there's so much freaking tension. One thing I like about the micro crimp training guys is you really have to use your entire freaking body to stabilize yourself. Whereas if you keep using the same edge, for instance, about 20 millimeters is pretty popular to train on, and then add weight to yourself, you're not really using, at least it doesn't feel like to me that I'm using a shit ton of the rest of my body, or at least not as much radiation throughout my body. If I do that, I don't know, it could be just me, but that was for sure a PR. I know my arms are bending in just from the effort involved. Like I can't even, hang with relatively straight arms like I can on those other edges on the 6mm because I'm having to try so freaking hard I can't even stop. My biceps and stuff like contracting, you know what I mean? But feels a little goofy in my shoulders because I do my arms kind of weird. I'm gonna do a back offset on 8. I'm hoping to hit maybe even better amount of time than last time. I'll probably quit there. So I'm gonna go for one more little, 5-minute walk and come back. Okay, gonna go back to 8 now, as planned. Here we go. Gonna chalk up again. Oh. Whoa. Oh my god. I feel that in my ribs. So much I'm freaking straining. Jesus, dude. Okay, we're gonna check out the weight now. That's about 168 over the holidays. And yeah, I'm about the same now. Still around oh, wait a minute, hang on. I forgot I had this in my pocket. Hang on a second. Yeah, there's another one. So really we're looking at 160. Oh, hang on, I forgot. Take that out of there. So you're looking at about 159.8 pounds. So that's right. I've already lost 8 pounds. I gained over the holidays and back to pretty decent climbing weight. If I'm gonna project anything really crazy, I might try to lose a few more pounds, but I think I'm good. I'm stronger than ever, obviously. My fingers. I feel pretty strong in the rest of my body. I've been working on the rest of my body too, doing a lot of isometrics, especially. And the jump roping, I think, has made me a little more athletic too, so that's pretty good. Hopefully I can climb this week. It was supposed to rain, but now it looks like it might be clear, so maybe I can get outside somewhere before it does rain this weekend, or at least it looks like it will. But you never can tell, guys. Meteorology is not exact science, so we'll see. Anyway, guys, like usual, peace out. Keep crushing out there, and have a good one. Later.